Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am back with another topic. The topic is basically the patience for any investment. How to be patient and why the patience is very important for doing any investment. First of all, this video is just for the information and it should be kept as the information, and before making any financial decision you must consult your financial advisor or tax advisor. It's a general information and it doesn't suit everyone. Everyone has its own risk appetite and you should follow your financial consultant. So coming back to our topic, why the patience is so important in doing investment. So first of all, you have to understand that patience is only not required to booking a profit or booking a loss. Even patience is required at both ends, while buying the investment and while selling the investment. You must be that much experienced, you must be that much mature that you know how to make investment. What people usually do that, let's give an example. People find out the share of Apple, they feel that it was on $170 and when it comes to 160 the people start buying it, but its low can be 140, 150 or 155. It is a true that no one knows how much dip would it take, but at least you have to be patient. You have to keep the patience and you have to think that why it's going down, because like stock exchange there are multiple factors that affect the investments, that affect the stock exchanges, like their political scenario, their economic scenario. If political uncertainty is there, the stock market of any country would get affected. If economics of any country gets disturbed, like interest rate hike or anything like this, or any bigger economic losses, it might affect the stock. It definitely affect the stock market. The social, ecological and their legal and the running bodies framework gets disturbed, like their tax department if found any new changes in the taxes, the stock exchange get affected. The social environment of countries disturbed, then the stock exchange is affected. So while making any investment, you must be kept in mind that what are the scenarios that are affecting the stock exchange and their prices to get low. It same goes with the property, it same goes with the bonds, it same goes with the gold, it same goes with the any other commodity. While selling, all these things gets understand, like why the stock exchange is getting high day by day. It may be due to the good political framework, like new government has come and it has start taking any new initiative which is giving a positive response from the stock market. Same way if the economics of the country is getting good and the interest rate is getting low, same with the economics, interest rate is getting low and the country is growing, then definitely it would give a positive impact on the stock market. Same way, if any social environment is good and any new tax policy which is favorable for the investor, the stock market would grow. So while taking any decision of buying or selling, you must be aware of any scenarios that are developing and that are currently moving. So you have to be diligent. It's true that you can't have information from 0 to 100, but at least you must be mature enough, you must be experienced enough to think about the investment, to keep patience about the investment. It's very true that nobody knows what is the dip of any investment or what is the high of any investment. It can be any there, but you must be mature enough that you know how to at what point you going for the investment, for at what point you will be going to sell your investments. So you must be mature enough, you must be experienced enough, you must be informative enough that you know that when to invest and when to sell, when to buy, when to sell. You must make your investment that gives you a great returns in the coming future, but do not follow the Ponzi schemes that give you the dream of becoming rich overnight. Well, I think I have done it enough. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.